So I'm in a 2018 Nissan Rogue, and today I'm going to show you how to use your front and rear defrost settings. So from here, you can control these. This would activate your front defrost, as you can see that symbol popped up. And then your rear, with this highlighted, this now has activated the rear. And then you can control the temperature with this. Typically you'd want it hot so that this front one will start to melt the front. And this front one is activated by this vents up here blowing hot air onto the glass. And even if you've got it really hot, you still may want the AC activated, just because that AC system can pull moisture out of the air. So if there's humidity building up, it won't fog up your glass. But yeah, so you can make it hotter or colder, and you can change the mode, whether you want it just to blow on the windshield, or if you want it to blow on the windshield in your legs or something like that, like this setting here. But when you're done with all this, either just shift it off of the front defrost, or you can also click this button to turn it off. When that light's off, the front is off. And for the rear, it's on right now, and just click it again to turn it off. And the way the rears work is, if you're able to see in this video, there's going to be some black lines that run through the glass. Those black lines are a heating mechanism. So when it's on, those heating mechanisms will be on to start trying to melt any ice and that sort of stuff off the glass. But that's it. I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.